Hey friends, welcome welcome back to another video. So today this is a little serious. It's about time that we had this talk. Yeah, but before I do get into the video, if this is your first time here, I'm Faren. I do natural hair, skincare, and lifestyle type content. So please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I would highly appreciate all the good things. Thank you. So today we are talking about what I hate about having colored natural hair. And I just want to start by saying I do not regret coloring my hair at all. It was a freeing experience. I'm so glad that I did it. It has just, I don't know, it has just made me happy. That's all that I can say about it. But it has definitely come with some downfalls. And there are some things that I absolutely hate about my natural hair. So let's just go ahead and get into it. The first thing that I hate about my hair since I bleached it and colored it is the tangles. Oh my god, they're not even tangles. It's like my hair is just matted in some areas. And I noticed that it's where my hair is a little bit lighter. But y'all, the tangles have tried my patience like no other. Like, I was never really big on detangling my hair, but y'all, I have to, and I have to do it at every step of my wash day because my hair gets so matted and it's frustrating. If you've seen some of the videos, you saw how like I have to like take each strand out of the knot. I try to salvage as much of my hair as I can, but it's literally like not clumps, but there's a significant amount of hair that comes in these tangles, and it drives me absolutely bananas. And it's just, I've had highlights, I've done box colored. We're not gonna talk about that bleaching situation from before, but like, I just don't remember my hair ever matting. I don't even want to call them tangles, matting the way that it does now. And that's really the thing that I hate most, and it really plays a part into the other things that I hate about my colored natural hair. So moving on to the second thing that I hate is I can't really wear wash and goes like I want to. Now, 2021 was the year of wash and goes for me. Like, I finally got them. They were quicker. I could do them every 3 to 4 days. I was massaging my scalp. It was a great routine that I had going on, and you could tell a difference in my hair. No, we can't do that with this hair. No, because one, the tangles. If I tried to do, actually I tried doing wash and goes in the shower right after I colored my hair, and it's literally a disaster. One, the water runs cold. Like, my water bill gonna be sky high if I continued to try and do wash and goes the way that I used to. And that was, everything was done in the shower. I was done in 45 minutes, shampoo, deep condition style, boom. No, not anymore. The best way to maintain my hair is to keep my hair stretched, and I've pushed it these last couple of wash days because I have done wash and goes. But even with this shingling, I made sure my hair was detangled and stretched throughout that entire wash day. I have to be very, very intentional with everything that I do during my wash day. And since we're talking about wash day, we can just go on into the third thing that I hate about this colored natural hair, and it is the longer wash days. So see reasons 1 and 2, and it's really because of the tangles. So now it's like, yeah, I pre-pooed before, and the shampoo, like, I have to make sure my hair is lengthened, like taut, and I have to kind of finger detangle with the shampoo on my hair. I gotta wrap that back up. I have to condition my hair, get all that through, wrap it back up, and then if I really want my hair to thrive like it has been doing, I gotta pull out a steamer. I still don't like sitting under the hooded dryer, but that's another 20-30 minutes added to my wash day. So no, it's not a 9 to 5 type wash day like it used to be, but it's still a considerable amount because I can't do wash and goes. I can't just wash my hair and diffuse it. Now I have to do twist outs and braid outs, and it takes me an hour to do a braid out because I'm so, I don't know what I am. I don't know why it takes me that long, but it is what it is. So now my wash days are literally like wash days, washing style. And God forbid that somebody hits me up and is like, hey, what are you doing? Do you want to go get something to eat? And I'm over here looking like a thumb and I don't have time to do anything to my hair. At least back in the day I could just hop in the shower and do a wash and go, but I can't even do that anymore. But I love my colored hair. So the fourth thing that I hate about my colored natural hair is the fragility. And I feel so bad saying that, but it is what it is. Like, of course, when I colored it, it weakened it. It's nothing like dramatic. Well, it just needs a little more maintenance and a little more love. So for instance, I feel like some of y'all don't remember this, but I got heat damage like last December, well, December 2020. But when I washed my hair in January of 2021, a little over a year ago, I had significant heat damage, especially like around here and like just around my edges and things, and some up here. And you know, I repaired my hair as well as I could throughout the year. But I have to keep in mind that because I have bleached it, all of it might not be as tenacious as I think that it is. So, you know, with me doing that silk press at home, I was very lucky that my hair came out and bounced back the way that it did, because I did the exact same process that I did before my hair was colored, not even really taking into consideration that, like, girl, like, your hair has changed. And just, that's why I don't use tools. Even though I wasn't really big on tools, I hate using tools now because I feel like they are ripping my hair out. I notice every hair that I lose, I feel like, because I just feel like it's more fragile. It's like I can hear it snapping some days. And of course, because of the tangles, I feel like my hair is limp and therefore it's getting tangled. But I keep putting all this protein on it. I don't want to be protein overloaded. But anyways, I just feel like my hair is a little more fragile and a little more weak, and that's also leading to the tangles. Told you all of this related to those tangles. So the fifth thing that I hate about my colored natural hair is, and this isn't really a bad thing, it's just is that I've had to relearn my hair. Like, this is a completely different head of hair than I had a year ago. You know what I mean? Like, before I colored my hair, I would say that I was medium porosity, which means like I didn't really have trouble like getting moisture in or keeping it in. It was just kind of balanced. So now it's easy to get the moisture in because it's so porous, but keeping it moisturized it's a struggle. And I still haven't adjusted to that. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the laziest natural, but doing the bare minimum fits me, you know what I mean? And so I haven't really done a good job of re-moisturizing my hair, because in the past, for me, when my hair felt dry, I would just wash it. That's the type of mindset that I've always been in. So now, to feel like I can't wash my hair as often, I'm still trying to find products that I can put on my hair that aren't going to really like weigh my hair down, you know, because I still need the moisture to get in. So you know, like, I almost had a breakdown when I tried to use that Briogeo Don't Despair Repair shampoo, just because it matted my hair, and it had never done that before. And I wanted to cut all my hair off that day. And then also like the 𝙗𝚘𝚘𝚗𝚑𝚑 deep conditioner, like the prior, I felt like the deep conditioner was okay. It wasn't like, oh my gosh, this is the best thing ever, but it was okay. But when I used it to do that silk press at home, it completely changed my outlook on that deep conditioner. Like now I feel like that's a holy grail. I need it in my stash. I can't wait to use it again. I wanted to use it today, but I'm going to the salon tomorrow, so that would have been extra. But it's just, you know, it's just funny. I really have to go back through my stash, what I have left, and figure out how things work and if they can work the same way that they did. It's crazy, but I enjoy that process. It's just I'm lazy. I'm just not there. I'm just lazy. So like tonight, I really do want to protect my ends, and I think that's something that I need to keep in mind that really didn't keep in mind last year. All in all, I am still enjoying my colored natural hair. I will probably continue to color my hair for the foreseeable future, just because like I just needed a change, and it's just been so good to me. If you're thinking about coloring your hair, I still say do it. Just know what comes with it. You know, it may change your hair completely, kind of like mine, or it may not, but like just think about it and do what your heart desires. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys, and I will see you all very soon.